Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you today with a brand new Harris 230 Sunliner. This is a 2019 model. It's in a really unique color scheme with red exterior, black fencing. It really looks sharp. I wanted to start at the back of the boat and go over the really popular floor plan with a single lounger back here that pushes back so you can have this entire bed area so you can really enjoy the sun in the back of the boat. You've got safety railings with a ski tow bar so you can pull a tube or a ski and people can be social and enjoy hanging out on the back of the boat. We have equipped this boat with the 200 horsepower Mercury, which is a new motor for this year. We've put digital throttle and shift, and it really just has a lot of torque. It's a very quiet, fuel efficient engine. There's a large storage compartment back here, perfect for tubes, wakeboards, skis, etc. You can see you've got your bumpers and table storage there right now. As we work our way forward, this is kind of the social area of the boat. You've got a lot of seating and a lot of space. Recessed cup holders, those all have RGB LEDs in them this year, which is a new color changing LED system. Really just makes the inside of the boat look great at night when you're hanging out with a lot of people. As we move to the captain's chair, it is reclining and has drop down armrests. You've got tilt steering, so really the ability to make it very comfortable for whoever the driver is at the time. We equipped the boat standard with a Simrad touchscreen display. It's a GPS, fish finder, chart plotter, etc. JL audio, which is an upgrade on this boat. We've got Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary capability, and all your dash and gauges are all very easily accessible. As we move forward, see you've got an oversized entry door on the side there, more loungers with armrests that drop down in the front, tons of storage under all of these seat bases that lift up. They're all hinged. They've got rotomolded seat bases which will keep the water out, and then there's also a very large ski locker built into the floor here. Great for additional storage, wakeboard tubes, things like that. And this boat's equipped with a double bimini, so you've got all that extra shade during the summer months in Texas, which we know we're going to need. We'd invite you to come down and see this boat today at MarineMax of Houston.